don't buy coins like Pepe, because you know Pepe cannot go to a price of 1. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you a trick in which you can use to hold crypto. So there's a trick that I have been using and it is working for me. You just look for new coins and then you buy using $1. So we have the type of coins that have a less price, and these are the new coins which you need to be buy. Just buy using $1, because when you buy with $1, you won't lose a lot of money when the coin falls beyond the normal price. So let us open, for example, this coin, and then let's say that it is on this price. If you choose to buy this coin at this price, just imagine you will have almost 20 coins of this coin. And then what happens is that when you have 20 coins of this coin, it might be pumped and then it can reach even $15. And when it reaches $15, you can just imagine the amount of money you can have. That is almost $300 there. Yeah, that is $300 just from $1. So you can see there is no lot that you can make when you try to use this trick. Now I can open an example of a coin and I can show you. We have a coin that I have seen. It is just amazing within a week. So an example of the coin that is trendy is this one. So this coin has just risen so much in a week. So I can just go to the moment it started. So imagine this coin was here. If you used $1 to buy, Pepe can never go to a price of 1, as you can see around. That is around 9 coins there, and you can see the amount of money you would have made. That is 9 coins. 9 coins multiplied by $10, because it has hit a high of 11.5. So you could have made around, that is around 100 USD. So you see, you can make a lot of money using this trick. Just use $1 to buy different coins and then hold them. You'll not lose a lot of money here, but you have a possibility of making a lot of money. And if you don't have an exchange, I suggest that you use Binance. I'll leave a link in the description or an invite code to give you better fees. So when you use that code, you will get better fees when you trade or when you acquire these coins. So just look for new coins, and then these coins must have a very low prices, a price of 0.05 to 0.1 there. Just buy in that range, because don't buy coins like Pepe, because you know Pepe cannot go to a price of 1. Pepe can never go to a price of 1, as you can see. It might, but it might take a lot of time. Just look for those that I'm telling you. So thanks for watching. If you have a question, just ask it in the comment section, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.